Okay, let's start. Right click on your text layer and choose select pixels. Now go to select, modify, and choose expand. Write 30 and click OK. Now go to adjustment layer and choose solid color. Choose dark gray color. Go to layer style and choose bevel and emboss. Follow these settings. Now click on gradient overlay. Follow these settings. Add drop shadow. Follow these settings. Add another drop shadow. Follow these settings. Now add outer glow. Follow these settings. When you finish, press OK. Now go to adjustment layer and choose gradient. Choose black and white gradient. Follow these settings. Right click on that layer and choose create clipping mask. Go to adjustment layer and choose gradient. Follow these settings. Now go to filter, noise, and choose add noise. When you finish, press OK. That's it. Hope you liked it. Don't forget to subscribe and comment your opinion below.